Hello, in today's video I'm going to be using my Project 10 Pan palette, which is the Revolution Makeup Forever Flawless Utopia palette. This will be my second time using it. Here we have the color story right there. So I do have super duper hooded eyes, so doing my makeup is always a challenge because I am new to doing makeup. I've been into it for like 2 years, but it's very hard to learn how to do it on hooded eyes. There's not too many people on YouTube with eyes like mine. So yeah, so this is my Project 10 Pan use. This is what I'll be going with. But anyways, my name is Kristen. I'm a lover of colorful makeup, wrestling, and Rocky Horror, which will be returning soon. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Sorry, not sorry. God, I'm so excited. Oh, they're finally talking about getting the band back together. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. Now, we're going to do my makeup. I have a cute mirror. I am going to be using, I was looking at that purple there, but I kind of want to use this blue and that blue as well. So I might just do that. And I might break the rules and take this blue and start it as, put it in my crease. Use it as my transition color. So I don't know what I'm doing here, but we're going to have some fun. I'm just in a weird mood today. I got energy. Why do I have energy? I don't know. I think it's because I decided that I'm going to dye my hair. And I'm not going to do black. I decided that I am going to do red. Yes, I'm going to dye my hair red. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know how well that will go, but we will see. So anyways, no one answered me, I don't think, on my last video about brushes. Do you care what brushes people use? This is an LA Colors brush. Full blending brush. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to take that blue color, and this is the Aurora color. And I already primed my eyes. I already did my eyebrows. I don't think I'm going to do anything else because I have to go out and buy said dye. Oh, look at that. That was one dip. Yeah, I have to go buy the dye. So I'm going to go to Sally's. I'm not going to, I don't think, unless they like really recommend it, I'm not going to bleach my hair because I used Color Oops on my hair to get the black out. It's still, you know, slightly different color at the ends, but I'm going to see what they say at Sally's and we will go from there. So I'm just doing this like a half moon all up on this bitch. All the way from the inner to the outer, and I don't think I'm going with any particular style. I'm just playing. So yeah, and I'm just gonna do one eye, and then I will do my other eye afterwards, not on screen. Take a different brush, and I'm gonna go in with that darker blue, that darker like satin. I guess it's a satin. Anyways, let's see what this does. So yeah. Not much else going on. I went to Sam's Club yesterday, and I don't think I'll ever go there again because it was really sucky. I spent more time in line than I did actually shopping. And yeah, unfortunately we have a membership, so we'll have to let that lapse. But we do have Costco membership, and Costco is so much better. Wow, so that got dark really quickly. So I'm going to go back in just a little bit with that other color and just try to blend it on top. And do down here. Maybe I'll actually do a real cut crease. I don't know. But yeah, so Sam's Club was kind of a bust. I did see actually some makeup there, which was hilarious. I believe it was an Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, that brow thing that she has, which was funny. And there was one other product, and I don't remember what it was. And of course they have skincare and stuff, so whatever. But yeah, it was pretty funny that they actually had makeup. I never thought I would see it. So now I'm wondering, should I do an actual cut crease? I think I might. And then I'll use like, I don't know. I mean, really the only shimmers in here are like golds and reds. We'll see. But yeah, let me do this cut crease. I guess we're going to see how fast I can do this too. Because I seem to be doing this very fast. I feel like I didn't bring my faux cut crease or whatever I did yesterday up far enough. It just, or there was too much color on my actual lids. It just looked a little funky to me, that's all I'm saying. Oh shit, what did I not go? It's fine, it's hand sanitizer. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that one and this one on the lids. So I'm going to go into this lighter one, which is Zen. I don't think I used that before. Yeah, so I'm not going to do the rest of my face though. I'm just going to do my eyes because when I come back I'm going to color my hair and I'm going to video that. I'm probably going to have to take like a smaller brush and like, I don't know, make the line a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to take that darker shimmer color, Dreamer. Maybe I should have done these wet as well. I don't know. That's fine. And again, hopefully this shows up good on camera because I, again, do not have it connected to my computer. And there goes my... Yep. There goes my backdrop falling. So yeah, another thing I need to go and get is some sort of like Gorilla Tape or something, or fucking somehow get something to drill into the bricks to hold this shit up, because like I really don't want to have it on my little holder because that just takes space away from this small room, and my room is super small and I would rather not take away any more space than I have to. So that doesn't look quite dark enough, so I'm gonna go in also to Fiction, which is this red shimmer color right here. We'll see what this does. So yeah, anyways, yeah, my backdrop keeps falling, so I need to figure out a way to get that to stay up. Okay, so I'm just going back over what that other color was, so I'm just gonna use this instead. Okay, cool. And then I'm going to go back with the blue, the darkest blue, and just do that outer corner, kind of blend it in, see what happens with this red. I imagine it will make, oops, it'll make like a purple. We will see what happens. Kind of, yeah. Yeah, kind of, but that's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside. I have this tiny little brush. This is one of those Paris tools, and I don't know where I got this. I don't know if it was like a BoxyCharm thing, a makeup subscription thing, but Paris Tools GT16, little guy. Look at how tiny it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that darker blue satin shimmer, whatever, and very carefully go over the line here. I still have perfected that blend and where I want it to be. Eventually I will. Okay, but that worked out pretty decently. It's kind of nice, I like it. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do the other way. I'll be back. I told you, it's falling. Okay, but we're gonna finish this frickin' video. I don't care. I do care, but I need to find something better to hang that stuff up. Anyways, so I finished my eye look, and actually I think it's pretty cool. I just need to do one little bit where I take that tiny brush and just do a little bit more blue on the other eye. I almost forgot that. Just to make that a little bit darker. Voila. Voila. Anyways, yeah, so I like that. I like that a lot, so we're going to take a smaller brush now and just finish up the bottom, and I will be good to go. So I'm just going to use the same colors, blue. I did use a little bit of eyeliner, liquid though. I couldn't find the stick one that I have in my project pan. I don't know if maybe I left that on the train or something, because I did do my makeup every day I was gone. So that's weird, but whatevs. Okay. Alright, so I got that blue. I think I might actually do the red now. Yeah, that red I used, I'm going to do that in the middle. Oh yeah, that looks cool. Okay, I'm going to take that gold, lightish gold color. Yep, there goes more. I saw it. Alright, just use that to buff out the rest. So we broke the rules. We used satins and shimmers all up in the creases. Ha! It's funny. I can do what I want. Do what I want. Like I said, I'm not doing the rest of my makeup though, because I am going to go, and when I come back I'm basically going to shower. So I'm going to take a video of me dyeing my hair. Hopefully it turns out good. Okay, so I'm so hyper today. Hopefully that doesn't fall anymore. And then I just need to find an inner corner. So again, that doesn't have that great of any inner corner. I already used the lightest shade in it. So that is kind of a failing on the palette's part, or Makeup Revolution's part, whatever you want to say. Actually, I did get a little bit of mascara again on the hood of my eye. I'm going to use my highlighter, because at least it's still good for something. Yep, that's still good at least for inner corner. So basically I'll edit this video and then I will go to the store. Fantastic. Okay. What do we think? I think it turned out very nice. I think it's different, it's interesting. I used a lot of colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 colors? Yeah, I used 5 colors. Okay. Bitch! Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go before this bullshit falls down even more, but again, Revolution. Hooded eye challenge. Okay, I will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Bye.